Hi. In this video, we will learn about applying date and time formats in Excel.
Let's look at using date formats and time formats. So the main date formats are short date and long date, but we have additional date formats as well. So we'll see how we can change these dates into short date format. So what you can do is we can just select this Control-Shift down arrow, go to date format, and there we see short date format. So we can select that, and now we got the short date format applied. And these dates, let's change them to long date. Go here and select long date format. So that is the long date format. But in addition to this, there's lots of other date formats we can apply. So if you come here, let's say select this one, and we go to the also, there's another thing you need to know. If you select some of these dates and change the format to general, you see they turn into a number sequence like this, 45,292 like this. This is because actually dates are stored in Excel as a number sequence that starts from 1st of January 1900. We'll get into more details on a later lesson we have on dates and date functions. For now, just know that if you change the formatting back to general, you get a number sequence like this. So we'll change this back again to short date. Now let's see some other date formats. So if we select these dates and go into the formatting box, now if you go to the number formatting window, under dates, you can see there are different date formats we can apply. So let's say we want to change this to maybe this one. Then you get the month name there appearing. And let's say we change let's change to something else. Okay, we can have different date formats like this. And also notice when you come here, you can change the locality. Now at the moment we are in English UK. We can change that to US. So then the date format changes. So the available date formats also are different. So we can apply date formats or any other format to blank cells as well, or area of cells. So let's select this F column and let me apply maybe short date format. And now if I type a date in here, see that date formatting gets applied. And if I apply maybe the long date format here, and I type in the date, now the long date gets applied to any data that I input into this area because already the formatting has been applied. So let's look at time formatting. So on this side, we have the time formats in 24-hour format. And let's say we want to change it into this AM, PM, 12-hour format. So we can select all the times. We can select the total columns, Control-Shift down arrow. And I go to formatting box. And there we got, this is with two, yes. Let's select this first, last one with the PM. And we got it converted into the AM, PM format. So as you can see, there are some other formats as well which you can apply. And also, you can see you can change it into another country format. And then you have different time formats also available. So let's select this one. And we got that applied. So this is how we can apply the basic date and time formats in Excel. In future lessons, we will look at more advanced date and time formats.
Thanks for watching.